आरोग्यमंत्री विश्वजित राणेंनी माफी मागितली असली तरी डॉक्टरांचं समाधान झालं नाही। जीएमसी ते सकाळपासून आंदोलन सुरू होतं। त्यानंतर काही काळानंतर सीएमओंनी मीडियासमोर येत मंत्री विश्वजित राणेंना 24 तासांचा अल्टिमेटम देत कॅज्युअल्टी विभागात येत माफी मागण्यास सांगितलंय। पाहूयात काय घडलंय।
is for recent incidents which have happened in the casualty where the honorable health minister has humiliated me in the casualty on 7th this June. Yeah. So our demand is that because of that incidents is that we require a public apology in the casualty itself. The honorable minister should come and apologize in the casualty. That is our demand. Okay.
So any deadline you all have given?
No, not we have not given deadline, but it should be immediately. Yeah.
What if he does not apologize?
So we, as because we are supported by the GARD, that's a GMC Association of the Resident Doctors, and also supported by the faculty. Doctors associations as well as the doctors all over the India. So if it's not been accepted, then we may go to strike from today onward.
Any discussion with the minister? We have discussed with him.
We already have a discussion with the dean. We have given a memorandum in the morning session. Yeah.
So can you tell us what exactly happened that day?
On that 7th, actually, as per the incident, it was nothing. One relative came asking to give an injection, just a vitamin B12 injection. Vitamin B12 injection, where she came in emergency department, is not part of an emergency injection. Yeah, vitamin B12 injection is not an emergency injection. So we said you have to go to the OPDs or nearby PSCs because it is not an emergency injection.
This is the first incident happened in GMC. Earlier also something.
This was the first incident which I can recall. Yeah. No, casualty. Our emergency department is of tertiary care hospital. Tertiary care hospital is the highest level of the healthcare system of Goa, where only serious critical patient has to be handled. Nowadays, anything means even minor cases are coming to the GMC emergency department. So it is a protocol that only the serious cases has to be seen. Giving injection is never. That is also vitamin B12 injection is never an emergency.
Minister and काल
एका चॅनलाचे apology मागले तुम्ही accept करता का?
I have seen the video, but it is a studio apology. So we demand all the doctors that the apology should be where the incidents happen. So it is in front of the people.
In public.
In the public.
It should be recorded.
It could be recorded, and as it went viral, my humiliation went viral. The same thing has to be also should be viral everyone, because I was humiliated completely that day. So I want every people should know his apology.
So what is the deadline you given by when Minister should apologize?
No, it could be within 24 hours he has to apologize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Feeling which you will be going to the strike.
Oh, yeah.
And the strike will be continued.
Continued and continued.
This will mean a complete shutdown of the services of the hospital?
Yeah, it will be complete shutdown. We have already given because we have already given a memorandum.
So service will be cut down.
Yeah, services will be shut.
Treatment and all.
Yeah. We are giving 24 hours.
But you don't
Yeah, videography. I think it's morning. It's Dean is already informed about all this thing. We have discussed it about the videography.
shutdown legally possible sir?
ज्यांना तुम्ही शटडाऊन करतले खूपसे पेशंट असतात
No, that you can ask a dean.
पण ट्रीटमेंट जे पेशंट आहेत असतात ते उचलले नो खूपसे क्रिटिकल कंडिशन आणि
No,
असतात पेशंट
emergency initially we'll see, but even if emergency made, we have given a letter to the dean that emergency may also shut down.
So no doctors will be working.
We are thinking on that. We are not yet decided, but we are thinking on that. Yeah.
But
We are here for the patients. We are here for the patient. That day also, when the incident happened, The Honorable HM had told me to go from the casualty at 12 o'clock, but I stayed there till 2:30, till my next doctor come. We are here for the patients. We are not against the patient. We want the proper treatment is to be given to the patient.
ते ॲप्रिशिएट करता मी पूण आतां तुमी म्हटलें की जर अपोलोची गांवांना 24 वरां भितर जाल्यार तुमी सर्विसीस बरी दितली पण त्या टायमार तुमकां दिसना खुबशे पेशंट ते खंय तरी सफर जावं शकता.
We'll see that services, we'll discuss about that, and we'll see that the services doesn't affect the emergency cases.
You have a support from All India.
Yeah, All India Doctors Association has also supported us.
Who spoke to you?
The IMA has informed us this.
And you have said also human rights.
Yeah, we might go to human rights. Yeah.
Either will be continue protest here now, or
It will be continued protest. Yeah.
About the stop, about what action we will be taking, about what escalation will be taken, and about the people. Each Goan knows that how doctors have toiled right from the time of COVID till the last Shirgaon Jatra, where everyone has survived. These are the same doctors who were there and were called at 4 a.m. and saved each one of you. About services being halted, you are just like us, the Goans. Just look into the eyes of your family and ask and tell us, affirm us that justice was given to us. And the questions that have been asked, ki tumi watle jalyar services halt jatli, is probably not. Never services have been stopped in the past. Emergencies do go on, but there is a tipping limit. I suppose हे करूना जाल्यार फाल्यां दोतोरांचेर वायलन्स जावन जेन्ना दोतोर कोण मरतलो किंवा आमचे फॅमिलीन कोणाक कितें जातलें तेन्ना तुमकां ट्रीट करपाक कोण उरपाना. It is as simple as that. Every morning when you go and you face the mirror, you should be able to have a self-respect and dignity. This is not about one doctor. It is about a whole medical fraternity where everyone has been brought up by their teachers to stand up for self-respect and dignity. And आमी कितें व्हडलें अशें कांय मागुना. It is very simple. It is a very simple 5-point or a 4-point demand, which is not something that requires a external force to be fulfilled. It is as simple कि एक formal unconditional apology Sarak to the whole medical fraternity, and the other points about a zero tolerance to VIP culture. A zero tolerance to VIP culture. Parat VIP culture acher. There is a whole system of triaging. आमी तुमकां मागता सगळे media to really make the public aware of what is a triage. A simple external injury of a abrasion might not be a code red in casualty. Many a times a person who looks fine from outside bleeds, and the best person to take a call on who needs to be treated is a doctor, the casualty medical officer, and the surgeon and the trauma surgeon who is there. It can never be a third person. That is why the whole concept of triage is there. We study it for 5.5 years. We study it for more. आयज 10 वर्सां जाली हांव ही गोष्ट शिकता. So it shouldn't be something that is commented upon by a person who is watching it from outside. शिरगांव जेन्ना स्टॅम्पेड जाल्लो, हे तुमचे फाटल्यान जे सगळे दोतोर आसात हे 4:15 नॉट ऑन ड्युटी सगळ्यांक काम केले, सगळे जाण वाचले, सगळ्यांनी येवन सगळ्यांची त्या टायमाचेर सगळ्यांचो सपोर्ट आशिल्लो म्हणून हे जाले. इट इज नॉट अबाउट मेडिकल फ्रॉटर्निटी. इट इज अबाउट अ गोवन who needs to stand in front of the mirror and look into his eyes. It is about a Goan who can look into the eyes of his family and say that I have stood up for my fraternity and I have stood up for the rest of Goa. आयज आमचे कडेन जातले, फाल्यां आनी कोणा कडेन जातले. We have seen already violence happening because of the same demeanor. फाल्यां खंय it might be fatal to one of us. मागीर सर्विसीस बंद पडटलीच न्ही. मागीर कशी ओपन कशी आसतली सर्विसीस. एंड नो वन इज स्टॉपिंग तुमकां खबर आसतलें रायट फ्रॉम long back GMC doctors have never stopped emergency services. I humbly request the media to please block all false narratives. The only reason we are standing behind Dr. Rudresh is to stop and to block a false narrative of political divisiveness, of other things, of people from outside supporting. All of you have seen since morning that all the people who were standing here were Goans. The people of Goa were standing here. It was not a doctor. When I wear this apron, yes, I am a doctor. But underneath who is standing is still a citizen of Goa who has the right to fight for his respect. And Dr. Rudresh Kuttikar he has been my teacher right since I was a MBBS student. And ताणी जितले आमकां शिकयला, it would be a shame on me. It would be a shame on all of us if we let this go. It is very simple. The demands are not something that require any external interference. It is just a 3-point thing which is the basic need of every citizen in Goa. Please block false narratives, stand for Goan identity, and that is all I need to say. Thank you so much. The services have been going on since morning. Just about we have listened to a lot of things that services have been disrupted since morning. We cannot show you any videos or photographs because that is not allowed in the campus. But you were here with us and you know that the services were going around. So please put it through across to the media. Okay, we will be giving you regular updates through the Guard Association and also the members of our faculty. It feels really privileged that my teachers are standing behind me and my students are standing besides me. Okay, so this is not something that is limited to one doctor or to fear anyone. All of us have families, and when you go back home today, look in their eyes and ask them, if you were in my place, would you have got justice with the video or the media that has been publicized, or would you have asked for more? Thank you.
टोटल कितले दोतोर आसा तुमचे?
Yes, total आमचे गोवा असोसिएशन ऑफ रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर्सान अराउंड आमचे 250 ते 300 डॉक्टर plus faculty doctors around 200 more. We have a student strength of 180 per batch.
How many batches?
609. We have 609 plus 180 per batch students, a batch of 150 interns. But हो जो प्रश्न तुम्ही सामको बरो विचारलो की कितले दोतोर आसात. सपोज एक दोतोर सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही, हांव राविल्लो. आज प्रत्येक दोतोर आसा, सपोज एकटो सुद्धा आशिल्लो न्ही ह्या सिच्युएशनान, तो रावता आशिल्लो. तुम्ही म्हज्या जाग्यार आशिल्ले, तुम्ही रावता आशिल्ले. It is not, this is definitely not political, this is definitely not personal. फक्त एकूच प्रश्न की एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय प्रत्येक मनशाक, नॉट डॉक्टर. आय एम नॉट इवन सेईंग द वर्ड डॉक्टर इन दिस वे. प्रत्येक मनीस जो येता, जेजे कडेन कन्वर्सेशन जाता, एक बेसिक डिग्निटी मेळूंक जाय. आयज तुमी रावले सकाळच्यान, तुमकां खबर आसा प्रत्येक जे हो एजेंडा आसा वॉज अबाउट ब्लॉकिंग अ फॉल्स and to bring the real story to the media. हे सगळे जाणून फक्त तुमकां एकूच रिक्वेस्ट आसा की तुमी मिडियान आसूं किंवा न आसूं, पूण घरान वचून आपल्या पेरेंट्साक, आपल्या बायल्या भुरग्यांक आनी आपल्या फॅमिलीक सांगात की कितें जालें, आनी आमच्या स्टेप्सांनी रावन एकूच विचारात स्वताक आरशा समोर रावन की जाले ते सारखे जाले. वॉज द एपोलॉजी द सेम एज द डिस्ग्रेस और वॉज इट नॉट? आनी सपोज ही आयज जावं ना जाल्यार फाल्यां तुमी सकाळी जेन्ना उठतले आनी आरशान पळयतले तेन्ना whether you will be able to face yourself or not. That is all I want to say.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राइब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल.